Hello again, students, and welcome to our fourth video and chapter summary on sensation, attention, and perception. As normal, this video has been produced with your professor, Jeffrey Hastings, and supported financially by Ivy Consulting Group, Inc. In Chapter 4, we learned about how our senses and life experiences shape our perception and how we see the world. In a sense, we learned the importance of understanding how our perception becomes our reality, as accurate or inaccurate as it may be. Let's begin. Have you ever wondered how your senses filter information before sending it to your brain? We are constantly bombarded with sensory data, but not all of it is necessary. So our senses, those remarkable tools of perception, step in to make the vast expanse of information manageable for our brains. Selective attention, for instance, allows us to focus on what's important while tuning out the rest. Habituation, on the other hand, is our brain's natural tendency to ignore unchanging information. Adaptation is another technique our senses use to adjust to constant stimuli, like the feeling of clothes on our skin. Then there's sensory regulation, which controls the intensity of sensory inputs to prevent overload. Each of these methods plays a crucial role in how we perceive and interact with the world around us. So, our senses do more than just collect information. They filter and manage it for our brains to process. Now think about how you maintain balance and know where your body parts are without looking. The kinesthetic system is your internal GPS, tracking the position and movement of your body parts. It's your brain's way of keeping tabs on your limbs without having to take a peek. On the other hand, the vestibular system is like an internal level, maintaining your balance by informing your brain about your head's position and motion. These systems work in harmony to keep us coordinated and balanced. Ever wondered why certain things catch your attention while others don't? It's not as random as you might think. There are four main factors at play: stimulus intensity, change or movement, repetition, and personal motives. The louder, brighter, or more intense a stimulus is, the more likely we are to notice it. Change or movement in our environment naturally draws our eye, as does repeated exposure to a stimulus. Lastly, our personal motives and interests also play a significant role in what we pay attention to. Attention, thus, doesn't occur randomly. It's influenced by specific factors. Are sensation and perception the same? Not quite. Sensation is the initial gateway, the raw data collected by our senses. It's the taste of a lemon, the sound of a guitar, the feel of a cold breeze. Perception, on the other hand, is our brain's interpretation of these sensations. It's the realization that the lemon is sour, the guitar is out of tune, or the breeze indicates a change in weather. In essence, sensation is the raw data, while perception is the story we tell ourselves about that data. Can culture affect how we perceive things? Absolutely. Let's dive into the fascinating world of the Muller-Lyer illusion. This illusion, comprising two equal-length lines with arrows pointing in different directions, is perceived differently across cultures. For instance, people from Western cultures, with their carpentered corners, often see the lines as different lengths. However, those from non-carpentered cultures see the lines as they truly are: equal. Our cultural experiences, thus, have a profound impact on how we perceive the world. How does our perception shape our thoughts, feelings, and emotions? This is a question to ponder upon. Perception, the way we interpret and understand our sensory data, is like a lens through which we view the world. It's not just about what we see, but how we see it. This lens is colored by our experiences, beliefs, and even our cultures, and it significantly influences our thoughts, feelings, and emotions. When we perceive the world negatively, it can lead to feelings of despair or hopelessness. But here's the good news. Perception is not fixed. It can be changed. By actively seeking out positive experiences, challenging negative thoughts, and cultivating a mindset of gratitude, we can shift our perception to a more positive one. This doesn't mean ignoring the harsh realities of life, but rather choosing to focus on the good that also exists. Remember, your perception is powerful. It can shape your world. So what's next in our journey into the mind? Well, we're about to delve into the intriguing realm of states of consciousness. This captivating exploration will introduce us to both our conscious and unconscious realities. Join us in the next video as we discover the complex realms of conscious and unconscious thoughts and their profound impact on our decisions and lives. We'll unravel the mystique of our subconscious minds, exploring how it silently influences our choices and shapes the very fabric of our existence. Join us for an eye-opening journey into the depths of our consciousness as we uncover the unseen forces that guide our paths and illuminate the hidden mechanisms driving our everyday actions. Trust me, you won't want to miss this thought-provoking exploration that's bound to leave you spellbound. Until then, keep that curiosity sparked and your excitement ignited.